Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com and TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Up first this evening, persons who travel abroad will soon be able to bring in personal items at a higher value without having to pay customs duty. The duty-free allowance will move to $1,000 in the next fiscal year. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the disclosure at the JLP's annual conference today. Jamaicans who are traveling from abroad are currently allowed up to $500 worth of personal and household items duty-free. That includes luggage that they carry with them on the plane and items that are shipped. When the new customs bill is debated and passed, things will change.
When you come to the airport, everybody bother you. What you buy abroad, you buy this or you buy that. I bother you, I stop you, I make the line long and let the line. We are going to address the threshold. When you enter the airport, it was $500. We're going to move it come April to $1,000.
Then there are persons still in Jamaica who import goods, whether through the post office or a courier agency. Some of these items are bought online. If the value of the item is over $50, it will attract taxes from customs.
We're going to reduce the bureaucracy at the airports, reduce the bureaucracy at our ports. We're going to take a look at the threshold and the duty-free threshold. We're going to move it from $50 to $100 come next fiscal year.
In his budget presentation in March 2022, opposition leader Mark Golding proposed that the tax-free allowance be moved from $50 to $150. In the meantime, with the feasibility study for unemployment insurance completed, Dr. Clark reiterated plans to introduce unemployment insurance so people who lose their jobs can get support for a period of time.